Oh, brand new shoes? Oh yeah, these are three of the most best kicks you need to buy for beginners from Amazon. So these came in a box. I wanted to unbox. I didn't. Yeah, because this video needs to be a little bit more quicker because we have three boxes, so that did not get to open the Amazon. That's why I unboxed the Amazon Prime thing. So start with box one, and the brown one is the special one that I really like. So come guys, let's get a closer look. So look. Huh? Oh yeah, I forgot, these are taped. Ready? I forgot to unlock this. Oh, these are good. Wait for a second, I'm coming back. So we're going to do this at the last, so that's why patience is all the best. Closer look at this. Look, this is so nice. Look at this. This is size 7. It smells nice. So for the second shoes in 1 minute in one shoes. So let's do it. So good. Sorry for the interrupt. So now wait. Look, we need to. Nice, good. Smart Fits is the best shoes. Oh my god, I've been wanting these shoes. Thank you, Dad. Oh my god, these are so nice. Look at them. Inside it has. Oh my god, this is the best shoes. So we saved last for later. So I'm gonna try these on later. We don't want them to get dirty. So the one has. Everyone has been waiting for the last moment. The last moment that everyone has been waiting for the brown shoes. Sorry, my bad, the brown box. So let's. Oh! Oh my god! Oh. Oh my god! You have to see my. Even this has lights also. So, but this only happens in the night. So if you want to see it, you have to subscribe. So let's do some magic. Oh, magic. So let's do these. So the reason I have a yoga carpet because I don't want these getting dirty in one day. What's the problem with me? Look, I can run nicely well. We're going to test these out when I'm running in the hall, yes? Well, look, these ones. These are so nice. I can, look, when you're running, these are good for running because these are sports shoes. Because the other one was a little bit, the white part of it was a little bit too hard, so it'll be a little bit hard for running, but that one is nice for walking. Example, when you push, you will, over here, you will run like this, you will run, and then so that's why these are good. So let's do some magic. Oh, so this is the next shoe I was talking about. These were more comfortable than the others. This one was the most comfortable. I think I should have bought 3 of these kind, but they're very colored, but you don't want to buy them. So bye bye guys, and remember to subscribe. And wait, let me tell you something. In my next video, part 2, this is going to be part 1, but in my part 2, I'm going to be running it in the hall, and I'm going to be riding all of these 3 shoes in my new skateboard I bought 2 weeks ago. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye, see you in my next video.